Do you feel like your memory is failing and have trouble remembering things that used to come easily? Then you've come to the right place. Today we are whipping up a unique twist on a nourishing meal rich in ingredients known to boost brain power and memory. Even better, it's a dish so delicious you'll be coming back for seconds. Are you ready to supercharge your brain? Let's dive in. We start by chopping all the veggies. First garlic, then onion, zucchini, carrots, and bell pepper. Zucchini is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect brain cells and support neurotransmitter function, which in turn boosts memory. Plus, the fiber content in zucchini maintains stable blood sugar levels, promoting better cognition and overall brain health. The next step is to chop the chicken breast and add it, along with the veggies and a blend of brown and wild rice, to an oven-proof pot. I like to call this recipe non-traditional biryani. It borrows a few elements from the traditional recipe but adds some unique twists for a quicker version. Traditional biryani is a dish popular in India and Southeast Asia. It uses basmati rice, but today we are using a blend of brown and wild rice for its brain-boosting benefits. Now let's measure out 4 cups of chicken broth and add ginger powder, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, chili powder, and chili flakes to it. While traditional biryani uses a wide variety of spices, we are simplifying the recipe with just a few key spices. But don't worry, the flavor is still rich and satisfying. We then mix everything together until the spices are evenly incorporated. I'm using a frother for this, but a small whisk would work too. Turmeric, one of our key spices, has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can support memory. Turmeric may even promote neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, helping in learning and memory formation. The next step is to pour the spice broth over the rice, chicken and veggie mixture and stir well. We pop it in the oven and bake for 75 to 90 minutes until everything is cooked through and most of the broth is absorbed. One of the best things about this biryani is how fast it's prepped and that it's baked in the oven, so we only need one pot and minimal stirring. I love finding ways to make flavorful, nutritious meals with minimal effort in the kitchen. Have you ever tried making biryani in the oven before? While it bakes, we can enjoy a cup of tea and read a book on the couch. Who am I kidding? It's more like doing a quick load of laundry or making a meal plan and a shopping list for next week. Check on the biryani after 1 hour and stir everything gently. After removing it from the oven, let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow any remaining broth to be absorbed. The aroma filling the kitchen is simply delightful. It's now time to serve the biryani warm, garnished with cashews, raisins, and fresh cilantro. Raisins are a powerhouse of antioxidants that protect brain cells and help carry oxygen to the brain, while the fiber keeps blood sugar levels stable, supporting memory and cognitive function. If you'd like more heat, feel free to add a few more chili flakes. I hope you have the chance to make this flavorful and brain-healthy dish. If you love this biryani, then you won't want to miss out on the next recipe, a flavorful curry bursting with aromatic spices, creamy coconut, and vibrant spinach in every single bite.